Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal in Shopee, right? So as you can see here that I have already logged in shopee.com, and after that let me just buy this product. Okay, so in this way I can explain you properly, right? So I'll just click on buy, and after that I'll just click on checkout, and after that here I have to enter my details, right? So I have to just enter my details, and after entering my details it will show me that how I want to pay. So basically there were a lot of options that I can pay with the card, or with the other payments too, or with the credit card, debit card, and on the third option there will be on PayPal, right? So you have to just click on PayPal and you have to just link this Shopee and the PayPal account, and after that you will easily able to make the transaction. So it's very easy guys. It's same that how you link your card to the Shopee. You have to do the same thing. You have to link your PayPal with this Shopee, right? So this is pretty easy. So I hope you found this video really easy and helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care. Good.